Hello everyone, myself Rajkumar. Today we are going to discuss about measurement of noise figure. First of all, what is noise? Noise is an unwanted signal which causes disturbances in a message signal. Due to this, in the output side, the received message will be of noise. Noise generation will be of different aspects. Either it will be generated by electronic devices, surrounding environment, metal interference, disturbance, and man-made noises. Signal to noise ratio. It is the ratio between the amount of noise present in the message signal or input signal. Noise figure and noise factor are the measures of degradation of signal to noise ratio caused by components in a single chain. Noise figure is the measure. What is noise figure? Noise figure is the measure of how much a device can degrades the signal to noise ratio. It means when we in a receiver stage, when we have a receiver stage or any input stage, the signal is if you want to send a signal from one place to another place, it should go through the transmitter and receiver. During this, the noise will be occur in due to this the noise will be present in the signal due to the surrounding interference or the electrical interference of the signal while it is transferring from one medium to another medium. Due to this, noise figure will be present. Noise figure, which is the measure, is also known as the amount of degradation signal to noise ratio. Noise factor versus noise figure. Noise factor is defined as F. Is a noise factor is measured to how the signal to noise ratio is degraded by a device. If you are using a receiver, whether it is an electronic device, noise factor is used to measure the degradation of signal in that electrical device. Noise factor, which is defined by F. F is equal to signal to noise ratio at the input stage by signal to noise ratio at the output stage. Whether it is your S in by S, N in by S out by N out, where S in and N in are the noise levels, noise signal and noise levels at the input stage, and S out and N out are the signal and noise level at the output stage respectively, where the noise factor of a device is specified with noise from a noise source at room temperature, which is given as Nin, which is equal to K into T, where K is equal to Boltzmann constant and T is equal to room temperatures in Kelvin. KT is also somewhere lies around minus 174 dB per hertz. Depending on where devices are positioned in an amplification chain, the individual noise factors will have different effects on the overall noise. According to the Friis, signal to noise ratio degrades or worsens from input to output due to the entropy or the other depressing laws of the universe. It means we also know that when a signal is transferred from input stage to the output stage, it must go through the modulator, demodulator, transmitter, and receiver. Due to this, there will be a loss in the signal. Due to this loss, the noise will be increases because of the electrical interference in the signal. This is also known as entropy. As the SNR ratio at the output stage is less than the SNR ratio at the input stage, noise factor will be greater than unity. When the signal to noise ratio is less when compared to the signal to noise ratio at the input stage, noise factor is always greater than unity. It means SNR S by N out greater than S by N input, then F is greater than unity or 1. Noise figure is the factor expressed in decibels. Noise factor is equal to NF. Noise figure is equal to F, which is equal to 10 into log F. Noise figure of the passive devices. Linear noise devices have noise figure equal to their loss. and expressed in dB. Cascading noise figure in a system. The noise factor of each stage in the chain follow this equation. F is equal to F1 plus F2 plus F2 minus 1 by G1 plus F3 minus 1 by G1 into G2 plus F4 minus 1 by G1 G2 3. This goes on increasing as the number of blocks in a receiver stage increases. This is also known as the Frizz equation, which is named after the Harald Frizz. Below, we have considered a receiver section of microwave bench setup. Our receiver chain has a pre-selector filter in front of the LNA to time the amount of stray signal that might be come in and saturate it. It means in the receiver section we place a pre-selector filter to examine the noise signals that might come in and saturate the message signals. Following the LNA mixer, image rejection filter is used to prevent image noise fold over. Then the mixer and the IF amplifier is placed around the chain. This is the microwave receiver system, which is have a pre-selective filter, which is used to remove the noise or calculate the noise, and after that the LNA after the image rejection filter. This is used to eliminate the image noise fold over, and after this a mixer is used which from this RF frequency is generated with their local oscillator is used combined with the RF frequency. It will use the IF intermediate frequency. Due to this frequency is passed through an IF amplifier and the signal is amplified at the output stage. This is also known as the output signal and message signal. When we apply the Frizz equation to this system, the output will be formed, and these outputs are calculated in are predominantly given in a spreadsheet and noise figure, and as it cascades down the chain. This is a spreadsheet in which in this gain and noise figure is determined. When we component data are in gain of a pre-selector filter, when we calculate the gain, it will be this one. This gain is will be changes for every device based on their frequency. When we running the total cascaded gain product of linear gains, it used to this into this one gives this one, and this into this thing gives this thing. 0.79 into 1.26 gives to 70 point something. Running total cascaded using Frizz formula. F is equal to 1.121 for the pre-selector filter, 2.238 for the LNA, and receiver rejection filter will be 2.24, mixer will be 2.283, amplifier will be 2.40. This is at the input stage, and the output will be also same we have to get before the noise and after the noise. We can also manually calculate the Frizz manually calculate the F by using Frizz formula, Frizz equation. The gain calculation of a chain is trivial, but let's look at by the Frizz equation we can calculate the noise factor through the chain. It is the 1.122 for the is the noise factor in the first chain or pre-selective filter, and 1.995 is the LNA, and LNA has a 0.891 as 0.891 is the gain of the pre-selective filter, and 1.195 is the noise factor of the LNA, and 89.125 is the noise factor of the gain of the LNA, and 1.259 is the image reduction filter. 3.891 is the IF amplifier. It is the mixer. 70.905 is the multiplication of mixer, IF amplifier, linear amplifier. It gives us to 2.405. F total, Fis total is equal to. It is expressed in decibels. Expressing noise factor in decibels, we arrive at the noise figure that it is present in the spreadsheet. After the two stages, F is equal to 1.122 and F equal to 1.116. The noise factor at this point is 93% of the entire chain. Whenever the chain has a lot of gain upfront, the denominator of subsequent stages in the frizz tends to move to wipe out the noise factor of the numerator. If you have 20 dB in your LNA or a receiver, the noise figure contribution of the subsequent stage will be small, unless noise figure of the next stage will be horrendous. It means the noise contribution of the subsequent or alternate stage will be small. Otherwise, unless it has the next stage has a higher or greater noise figure. Thank you.